Did you know that in any given workday, we spend 7 out of 10 minutes communicating with people? It also states that on a typical business day, we spend 45% of our time listening. All of this is research that I found on a website called listen.org. But who cares? Why should we listen? Because it shows respect for the person speaking. Plus, if I don't listen, I might actually miss crucial information that I may use in decisions that I want to make. In 2019, I published an article in Industry Week. If you're interested, check the link out below. The topic was basically on thousands of employees and what they saw were the qualities in their supervisors and managers that made them effective. One of the top 5 qualities of an effective supervisor was listening. So this is what I want you to do for your 3-minute leadership workout. 1, face the person. Do not act distracted. Pay attention to the nonverbal cues. Are they relaxed? Are they anxious? Are they agitated and closed off? All of these will give you an idea of how the conversation will go. Make sure you don't interrupt during the conversation. All that conveys to the person speaking is that you're interested in talking, not interested in listening. Listen without judging. Do not jump to conclusions. And just as important, do not start planning what you're going to say next while they're still speaking. Stay focused. Paraphrase what they just said and then summarize what you heard. This tells the speaker that you understand the message that they are trying to convey. Finally, ask good questions. Get a conversation started. Show them that you're interested in what they have to say, because by listening to what they have to say, you're getting better information. And that's the bottom line. You want to communicate with the people that work for you so you can always get great information. So that's it. What we know is one of the top 5 qualities of a really great manager or supervisor is active listening. So it doesn't hurt to sit down, remain focused, and really listen to what people have to say. They'll truly appreciate it for you. And it'll make you a better leader. So are you ready to become the leader that everybody wants you to be? Let's go get fit.